Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my music theory tuition series. It's exam entry time and I'd like to help you. Once you've completed the ABRSM Grade 2 workbook, and that also includes all the information from Grade 1 also, if you're thinking of taking the ABRSM Grade 2 theory exam, the best way you can prepare is to complete lots of past exam papers. In order to help you, I've gone through several years of past papers. To date, I have worked through with you step by step through every question of the papers from 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, and I've also worked through the sample papers X and Y. These are freely available to download from ABRSM website, and the link to that is in the description. And this shows you how the layout of the ABRSM exam paper from 2018 onwards has just changed slightly. You can find the link to the playlist for these video tutorials in the description and also in the cards. You can also find links to all of my video tutorials on my website if you visit sharonbill.com. On that website you'll also find some free PDFs. These have all the information that you need to work through and understand everything in Grade 2 ABRSM. You can download these PDFs in either US letter or A4, and that's everything you need to know for your studies there too. You can also find links to the books that I have available. I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory exam. It's full of hints and tips on how to best prepare for your exam, and also how to make the best use of your time on exam day when you're actually sitting in the exam room working through your exam paper. So if you go to sharonbill.com, you'll find it's all there. If you can give me a like, that would be super. Please do subscribe to my channel. There's lots more to come, and then we can get cracking. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.